Hello there and welcome to another amazing video, and on this video I will be going over how to buy a Prime Video membership. And if that sounds like what you're looking for or what you need to know or what you want to know, this video will help you or at least give you some tips on how to go about it. So stay tuned and of course keep watching this video to the end, because you will find some helpful tips that will assist you in trying to buy a Prime Video membership. Alright, so that said, let's dive right in. So the first thing you want to do is to of course sign up for an account, an Amazon account, or if you have an account already, you can of course log in on the login page, and do know that there is a 30-day free trial for this. So after you've purchased your Prime Video membership and you feel like okay, it's not what you want, there is of course an option to opt out of your plan. So that said, let's try logging into our account. If you have an account, if you do not have an account, there is an option for you to register for an account or sign up for an account on their page, so you can log into your account and follow along. Alright, so once you've logged in, there is an option where you can get to this page right here, and this is the Amazon Video Get Started page. You can click on the Browse Prime Video to browse through a selection of video, and this is of course if you've registered for an account and you've added your payment details and you started your free trial, your free 30-day trial. That's it. We'll click on this button here. I have it open on a tab here already, so I'll just go to it, and this is the page where you can of course go through a list of amazing movies, and of course on the top here there are of course tabs where you can go to browse a selection to find exactly what you want, be it a category of movie or of course anything you want to rent, or deals and TV shows, probably sports stuff that you want or what you're looking for. Alright, and that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and of course I'll see you in another video. If this video did help you, do well to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.